As anyone who owns an outdoor pool knows, getting it opened up for the season is a whole lot of work. There's always a lot of prep, cleaning, and maintenance to take care of, but thankfully, opening the pool this year will be a whole lot easier, at least for me, thanks to my new robot friend, the Dreame Z1 Pro. Robot pool cleaners aren't exactly new, but they've become a lot more popular these days since they're getting a lot smarter and ditching those cords as well. Now, you might remember Dreame from a previous video that I did a couple months back. The company specializes in robot vacuums for your house, so it makes perfect sense that they would want to get into the robot pool cleaning category since the concept and a lot of the technologies are the same. So let's go over the basics here. The Z1 Pro will clean your entire pool, no matter what shape and a lot of different sizes as well. And it won't just clean the bottom, it'll clean the walls and the water line as well, thanks to its powerful suction of the dual motor system. And it even allows it to get up out of the water up to 5 centimeters above the water line. For our above ground pool, I'm going to be using this to clean out the dirt and debris that have built up over the winter months. And we did have a pretty nice cover over it, but since we had some really intense snowstorms over the winter, that did collapse, which means there's a lot more dirt and debris in there than what you would expect, which means the Dreame Z1 Pro has its work cut out for it. Since the Z1 Pro is intended to run in your pool every couple of days, the wastebasket inside of here did fill up pretty quickly with such a big mess. While the Dreame Z1 Pro can clean the floor of the pool for 4 hours and can clean 2,650 square feet on a single charge with the 9,600 milliamp hour battery, I did have to pull this out about every 20 to 30 minutes just as that wastebasket was getting full, and had to do that roughly 4 times before it cleaned up everything from the bottom of the pool and I could let it run its full cleaning cycle. While the robot pool cleaner was doing its job, that gave me time to do mine. And that was to set up the pool pump, hook up the hoses, and turn the filter back on. And of course, we had to turn that murky green water crystal clear again, which means we had to do a shock treatment in order to get that green algae to be completely removed from the water. And honestly, after a couple of days of the filter running, it cleaned right up. Using the Z1 Pro for this initial pool opening was honestly really great. It saved me a whole lot of time. I'd imagine maybe an hour or two of manually having to pull out those leaves and sticks from the bottom of the pool, which is really tedious. But honestly, the best situation for this is actually in day-to-day maintenance to prevent such a big mess as what we started with here. Now, we know there are a lot of robot pool cleaners that are out there that do a fairly decent job, but this one here is actually one of the first on the market to use advanced sensors to give you a more thorough cleaning experience for your pool. Rather than roaming around aimlessly at the bottom of your pool, hitting a wall, and then changing direction, this one here uses those sensors to fully navigate your pool. Dreame is calling this Pool Sense, and it uses dual ultrasonic sensors, 4 LED sensors, 2 red infrared sensors, and a time of flight scanner as well to scan and map the bottom of your pool. And it'll even show you a map of what it cleaned in the app once it's done cleaning. And just like a robot vacuum, it uses those sensors for obstacle avoidance as well. If you have toys that are left in the bottom of the pool, it'll move around them without rolling them over. And also it uses that to make sure that it's avoiding the main drain at the bottom of the pool and also the water jets on the walls of the pool, making sure that it's not messing up any of your expensive equipment. As for the cleaning, I am pretty impressed with what the Z1 Pro has to offer. It has a dual brush system on the front and the back, allowing that to do all the work for it. Besides adding shock to the water and then turning on the pump and skimming some debris off the surface of the water, I really haven't done anything else to scrub the sides of the pool or the bottom, besides letting the Z1 Pro actually do its job. The sides here, I say, are squeaky clean, which is pretty good proof of just how well of a job this can do when it's just left to do a pool cleaning on its own. And as you saw before, it also does a really good job cleaning up the leaves, dirt, sand, and anything else that might be on the floor of the pool. But since that first cleaning, the water was a little bit too murky, I decided to dump in some additional leaves and sand just to show you how efficient and effective this is. Just don't tell my wife because she honestly gets pretty mad at me anytime that I make things dirty on purpose. The Z1 Pro sucks everything up as it passes over with its 8,000 gallons per hour water flow, leaving a clear streak behind it. Our pool is actually pretty average inside when compared to a lot of above ground pools, but if you have a larger pool, you're gonna love the fact that this also comes with a remote control. I haven't had any issues with this not being able to clean our pool or get all the dirt and debris out from the bottom, but if you have a larger pool and you have a mess just in one corner of it, having a remote like this, being able to operate the unit remotely is a godsend. For those who don't know, you can't really control a unit like this from the app just because Wi-Fi doesn't pass through the water, but this remote uses light instead. As you can see here, it shines a green light onto a receiver on the top here of the unit, and that can be used to control the unit and make it go exactly where you want, moving it left and right, kind of like an RC car, but at the bottom of the pool, and honestly, a little bit slower than an RC car as well. And then when you're done cleaning, you can just push this button right here, which will make it come up to the wall and then surface so that you can pull it right out. And with pulling it out from the pool, I do want to remind you that this can be incredibly heavy, especially as you're pulling it out of the water because it is filled with water. Just pull it out a little bit at a time, let that water drain, and then pull it out from there. Having the Dreame Z1 Pro for this initial pool setup was great. It did save me some time, but also I'm just looking forward to using this over the next coming months and over the summer for those regular maintenance cleans that I just really hate. Being able to just put on the settings and then throw it into the water and have it do the cleaning on its own is going to be fantastic, saving me a whole lot of time. If you're anyone like me who is looking for a way to make pool maintenance a whole lot easier, or if you're simply looking to not pay somebody to come out and clean your pool, definitely check out the Dreame Z1 Pro robot pool cleaner. There's definitely a lot to like here. For more details on the Z1 Pro, and if you're looking to get the best deal possible, be sure to check out the link in the video description below. Thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video, and of course, thanks to you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.